In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make Notion full-width page. If you've ever felt cramped in Notion, especially when working with big tables, multi-column layouts, or wide images, switching to full-width gives your content room to breathe. Full-width expands the page canvas from edge to edge, which is great on large monitors and makes side-by-side blocks more comfortable to read and arrange. Here is how to do it. Open the Notion page you want to adjust. Move your cursor to the top right corner of the screen and click the three dots. The More menu. In that panel, find the full width option and toggle it to on. The change is instant. Your content stretches across the available space, and you'll have more horizontal room for columns, databases, and media. This is a per-page setting, which means you are only changing the page you are on. It won't affect other pages in your workspace, and it won't disrupt your collaborators' work beyond how this specific page is displayed. The best part is that it's reversible, so if you ever want to go back to the standard width, just return to the same menu and toggle it off. A quick note on when full width shines. Use it for complex dashboards, project boards, calendars, and especially big databases where extra columns are easier to scan when you are not squeezed into a narrow view. It also helps when building multi-column layouts for wikis or documentation because you can give text and visuals their own lanes without constant wrapping. Now, if you are working with databases, you can take this a step further. Database pages can be set to default to full width via the same menu. Open a database item, head to the top right three-dot menu, and look for the full width control there. From that same menu, you can make database pages default to full width, so that new and existing items open wide automatically, saving you a click every time you create or open a record. A few practical tips as you use this. If long paragraphs feel too stretched on very large screens, consider organizing content into 2 or 3 columns to improve readability while still benefiting from the extra space. And remember, full width doesn't change your content, only how it fits on the canvas, so you can safely toggle it as your layout needs evolve. That's all it takes to make your Notion page full width and keep database pages wide by default. Thanks for watching.